get apple juice in too.
Hey guys, we're gonna get you. Oh fudge, the thing fell. We're having a burpee challenge.
Yeah, so
I think she's getting apple juice now. But the thing's falling. Okay, there you go, perfect. And I got a little bit of apple juice. No, the phone.
apple juice.
Okay, I had to hold it. Okay, not bad.
I don't like apple juice, guys, but I'm.
Joy, you can ask Bella. I had an insane burp earlier. You can ask her. Did I have an insane burp? No, bro. Check at the floor.
Okay, there you go. I'm holding it.
Check at the floor, broskies. Can you guys even see the floor? Yeah, check this. Oh, apple juice from me. You can check this here.
What's the smallest burp?
Chug. Oh, check out all of that. From apple juice.
That was just a small
Wait,
burp.
my guys, I need a burp. That was half a burp. Okay, guys, I need a toilet after that. I forgot to say, peace out, my homies. I forgot something. Hey, move. I want to do LeBron James. Look at what's it, Kobe's there. What did I say? No, actually, peace out, my homies.